Hey, what's going on, guys? As you can see, our mouse ain't matching our mouse. Well,
our mouth is not matching our mouth.
Listen,
basically, we fucked up, fam. Like, right now we're in the toilet, kind of getting close. But anyway,
we're brainstorming how we could have done intros, and this is one of them.
Yeah, so basically, today we're going to do a bunch of fucked up sounds, like a bit of... Wait.
Yeah! Meow, meow, meow. Woo! Okay, now we're just talking Ruben's language right now. But yeah, listen. He was communicating. As you can see by the title, we are going to be making weird noises next to people to get their reactions. And I'm sorry if our audio fucked up. That's why we're doing this voiceover thing. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Wait. Yeah! No. Yeah. To the guy, he has no headphones.
No existe la noche ni el día, aquí la fiesta mantiene encendida.